I forgot what normal sounds like. I don't move the same anymore. Steps don't land where they did before. Time bends when I stand still, like it's waiting for my will. I don't finish what I start, not because I fall apart. I just don't see the ending line, so I redraw it every time. Same place, new frame. Same face, no name. Same place, new frame. Same face, no name. Voices echo out of sync, not a sound, more like a blink. Everything is slightly off, like the world forgot its code. Wait, did you feel that? Cut side, don't align. Move wrong, out of time. Cut side, don't align. Move wrong, out of time. Don't align. Same place, new frame. Cut slide. Don't align. Same face, new name. Move wrong, out of time. I think I got used to it.